No, but if we want to do some, we just go to the store and buy the ingredients. She has the mold. No, we can still do it. Putting some hair on her. Yeah.
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Stella.
Yes, this is Stella the snowman.
Snow woman.
Only Snow Woman. Stella the Snow Woman. Check her out now. Need some more hair. Trimming the bush. We're doing good. More hair extensions. Got one wicked fro going on now.
Got some hair sticking up in the back.
Go ask my mom for a carrot. Tell her they're in the drawer.
And find some shape of eyes and a nose. And some buttons. And some nipples. No, not nipples. She'll get mad.
Too bad there's not another flower. This would work. Only one though. Wait, there's another one down there.
For what?
Nipples. That totally worked. There's one.
I think they're in there. That's what she said. These should be her buttons.
Could be.
Oh yes. Very nice. Lovely.
There's another one over here. This is so violating the Snow Woman rules. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Where's Sierra with the eyes and the buttons? Sierra! Tell her to hurry up. Oh, where's she trekking off to? Are we doing? We're getting our phone. It's essential.
I don't want my father and your father looking at that disgusting front of that car. Why? It's funny. No, it's not. It's disgusting. Get rid of it, Mom. No, Mom. Actually, it's funny. Not my dad's son. Oh. What do you mean not to your dad? He doesn't care. It's a snowman.
Like right there?
Yeah.
Oh yes. We need eyes now.
Eyes. Right.
If we could find like wraparound lace to put around the bottom part, that'd be hilarious.
I don't know. Good a face. She got a smile. Ooh. Getting buttons now. Got a little close together.
So. She has to wear a jacket. She's cold. What else can we do? We need to give her eyelashes. Snip her eyelashes a little bit.
Trim the eyelashes.
Oh, yeah.
Now to remove the boobs because it pissed Mom off.
Oh, I gotta take a picture of my son.